Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. The holidays are all about glimmer, shimmer, and glam. And today I'm going to show you how to get a fun, festive look. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. To get a sparkly, radiant look, it starts with hydrated skin. I use Lancome's pink toner to replenish and rejuvenate my skin. I then applied Lancome's Genifique serum to give radiance and to strengthen my skin. To hydrate, smooth and plump, I used Lancome's Absolute Soft Cream. This is my favorite moisturizer. To make sure my eye area looked smooth and bright, I applied Absolute Eye Cream with my ring fingers. For even more radiance, I use Lancome's Serum Primer to smooth and help my foundation last longer. I wanted a radiant finish, so I chose the Lancome Care and Glow Foundation. This evens out my skin and gives me a smooth, finished look. I then added NARS bronzer to the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and across my forehead to warm up my skin. I also applied it on the sides of my nose and in the hollows of my cheeks for a little more definition. No radiant and sparkling look could go without highlighter, so I used Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wand to the tops of my cheeks and down the center of my nose for glow. I applied Rare Beauty's blush to the apples of my cheeks and brushed it up and out. For eyes, I started with MAC's Paint Pot, and with my fingers smoothed it all over my eyes from lash to brow. I then used the Better Than Chocolate palette from Too Faced, and starting with brownie points, wiggled it in my crease. I then took the same shade and wrapped it under my eyes as well. For brightness and glow, I dipped my finger into Ooey Gooey and smoothed it on my lids. For even more shimmer, I used NYX's Roll-On Eye Shimmer and smoothed it on my lids on top. I added Milk It in my inner corner and across my lower and upper lash lines because after all, this is a radiant, dazzling look. To ground the look and not look too washed out, I tightlined my lower lash line with black waterproof liner and then added magnetic liner to my upper lash line. While my liner was drying, I filled in my brows with Lancome's shaping pencil. Once my magnetic liner was dry, I attached magnetic lashes. If you would like more info on magnetic lashes, click on my video in the link below. To finish the eye look, I applied L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara to my lower lashes and added a little bit to my upper lashes as well. To clean up my under eye and to get rid of eyeshadow fallout, I applied concealer. I like to do this step last when doing my eyes. For lips, I used a dark chocolate pencil from Lancome and then used MAC's lipstick in Gold Star. And for even more glow, I added MAC's Gleam On lip gloss. And here's the final look, my golden shimmery holiday look. With my holiday glam look, you'll be ready for any occasion. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.